Hello everyone, very welcome to thermodynamic class. Here is Dr. Farzad. I'm going to teach you during this semester thermodynamic subject. I am a senior lecturer in University Malaysia Pahang. To have more information about me, you can refer to my Google site, which is mentioned here. You can also find more video lectures for different subjects in my YouTube channel. In the rest of this video, actually, I'm going to tell you more about thermodynamic subject. This course is 14 weeks, 3 hours for each week. It is 3 credits hour actually, and its course code is BMM 2673. And during these 14 weeks, we will focus on the application of thermodynamics fundamentals in various engineering systems, including properties of pure substances. We will discuss about perpetual motion machines, and you will see why we cannot have this kind of machines. I will introduce you first law, second law, analysis for closed and open system, and also finally in last chapter of this course, we will discuss about the entropy. This course has 4 different outcomes or 4 different course learning outcomes. The first CO is analyze and applying the thermodynamics concept, including perpetual machine and statement of thermodynamics flow in general energy analysis, which is mainly in chapter 1 to chapter 1 and 2. For CO2, we will analyze properties of pure, simple, compressible substances and also ideal gases from property table and equation. So this CO actually will be discussed in chapter 3. And CO3 is the analyzing the concept of first law in closed and open system, which is chapter 4 and chapter 5 of this course actually. And also we will have, for this year, we will have the entropy and second law analysis, which are discussed in chapter 6 and 7. And CO4, which is the ability or a presentation actually, you will learn how to perform the concept of thermodynamics law related to the engineering thermodynamics application through a presentation. So for this course outcome, you need to prepare a presentation. We will cover 4 different POs: engineering knowledge, problem analysis, design development of solution, and also communication. The content of this course or course syllabus is mentioned in this table. The main reference for this course is this book you can see in the slide, Thermodynamics and Engineering Approach, which is written by Senjal and his colleague. One of the most important thing maybe for you is the course assessment, which is according to the COs which I have already introduced to you. Presentation, which is related to CO4, you will have a presentation. It will be 10% of your final mark. Different assignment also will be given to you for all of the chapters. For each chapter, you will have 1 assignment. In other words, for all of the COs, you will have assignments, which will be also 20% of your final mark. And midterm exam, which is for CO1, CO2, is 30% of your final mark, and it includes chapter 1 to chapter 3. And final examination, which cover all of the CO1, CO2, and CO3, or all of the chapters, which is very important part of the assessment, and it is 40% of your final mark. The course delivery will be synchronous and asynchronous, and I will prepare different video lecture and I will share in YouTube, and you can watch them in your time. And also we will have a question and answer session or synchronous session, which we will use Google Meet for that session actually. And the assignment, the quizzes, and also the project report and so on will be by this slide. We reach the end of this session. Thank you very much for watching this briefing video of thermodynamic practice.